How's it going? Greg here from Buick GMC. Just want to show you guys a quick walk around video of the 2016 Buick Cascada. This is a new model this year and they are pretty impressive. A nice 4-seater convertible, new to the line. Special design leather so it doesn't get too hot. Got your touchscreen radio, heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel for those cold winter months. All your steering wheel controls, got your backup camera and Bluetooth. Show you the back here. Show you just how easy it is to put the top up too. Take a seat here. All at the touch of a button. And there it is. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want to come check it out, we got it here in stock, 1513 Portland Road in Arundel. My direct line, 207-604-7253. This is Greg over here at Weir's Buick GMC, and that was 207-604-7253. Hope to see you soon.